All set for the installation? Let's begin and see how we make it easy and simple for you. High-quality, hassle-free installation is what sets the London Bath Company apart from all other bathroom retailers. As proud members of the Which Trusted Trader scheme, all of our installers work exclusively for the London Bath Company. Highly trained and dedicated craftsmen with an exceptional eye and attention for detail, and are closely monitored and regularly vetted to ensure they provide only the very best service and workmanship at all times. Respect for your property is paramount. Before doing anything, your installer will thoroughly protect flooring and furnishings throughout the property. Access to your property will be discussed and established so that the installers do not need to come in contact with you directly. Social distancing measures will be adhered to throughout the installation. Once the installation team has finished, your project manager will check that every detail is perfect before handing over your finished bathroom. A safe, contactless service from consultation to finished bathroom, without the anxiety of selecting and managing your own tradesmen, recognizing and adhering to the need for social distancing during unprecedented times. Book your free, no-obligation virtual design consultation today and see how by using the latest 3D computer technology, our designers can redesign and magically transform even the smallest bathroom into a luxury haven, all from the comfort of your own home. The London Bath Company. Design, supply and install fully fitted and ready-to-use bathrooms across London.